Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 26 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In today's video, we're going to make a horizontal slider like this. So basically there is a lot of items and we can actually slide with our mouse click. So let's see how can we make this type of event. In our starter code, we have a div container and a lot of div container inside that. So we have to use these items for our scroll. Let's actually take those items. So document dot query selector all, I'm going to take with class items. Then I'm taking a variable, it should be let it will actually indicate our cursor is clicked or not. Then we have to take another variable, that is start x. I'm not initializing it right now. Then another one, that is scroll left. So start x will actually determine the current starting position of our cursor when we click, and scroll left will indicate the amount of scroll we have done. So that's it. Now I'm going to add a lot of event listener. The first one will be, let's add event listener. I think there should be a for each loop. No, there should not be for each loop. We have written a wrong thing here. So it should be items. That means this div container, and it is query selector. Now we can add our event listener. So we have to add actually 4 different event listener here. Let's copy this, and the first one is mouse down. Then the second one will be mouse leave. Third one is mouse up, and the last one will be mouse move. Right, so everyone will have a arrow function. I'm copying this. Okay, now when actually the mouse is down, our is active is equal to true. Then if we have a mouse leave, then is active will be false. Then if we have our mouse up, is active will be false. And in our mouse move, this is our actual action, so we can actually print with an if condition. If not is active, I should return, else we can actually print our is active. Let's see the output here. So this is actually saying true, but if I leave, then it is no longer true. Or if I click again, if I mouse up, then it is no longer active, right? So these are actually working. Now when mouse is down, I'm going to add a class in our slider dot class list dot add. It should be active, and I'm going to remove on these two event listener. Let's see the CSS for the active class. Yes, you can see the background, then cursor will be grabbing mode, then transform will be scale 1. You can see transform here is scale 0.98. so let's see the output. If we can see the output, so our container is actually scaling up a little bit, so the effect is working. Now we have to actually make the actual scroll effect. For this I'm going to take our event here and console log the event. Let's see the output. So mouse event is registered here. So in our mouse event we should have a page X and page Y. So the page X is indicating the starting position of our cursor when we clicked. So let's actually take our start X to our page X. Start X equal to e dot page X. Right, it should be correct, page X. Okay, now if I console log our start X, let's see the output. It is not working here because we have add event in our this container. So there is a problem. The problem is actually see, I'm clicking at the edge of the left corner, but there is no 00, rather it is saying 16 or 17 because there is a margin. So we should actually consider the margin. So let's do it. Slider dot offset left. I think it should work. No, it is not working. We can leave it here and add a scroll left effect equal to slider dot scroll left. Now I'm going to add functionality here. So slider dot, so I'm going to actually take our X, let X equal to our e dot pages. I have to pass the event e dot pages minus slider dot offset left, and we should print to check the amount. So I'm actually printing X and printing our start X. Let's see the output. So you can see our start X is a constant value and our X value is changing. So how much actually it is changing, we should track that. So we will add a variable called walk, and it will be our X minus start X. So let's actually console log that. Work. I'm commenting this here. So now let's check the output. As you can see, it is now working. Now what I have to do is add slider dot scroll left equal to our walk. Let's see the output now. It is actually working, but in a wrong way. So what we have to do is give our start x at first, then x. Now it should work fine. As you can see, it is now working, but there is a problem. The problem is we have to add our this value, scroll left value here. With this should be scroll left minus walk. It will help us to track the previous scroll left and start from that position. Now it should work. It is again giving a wrong one. I think this should be walk minus scroll left. Yes, it is now working fine. Let's see the output. So I think there is a problem. We should actually swap this value minus our start x, then we have to take this and we will multiply it 3 times so that there is a smooth animation and faster one. Now check the output. Now it is actually working fine. So that's it for today. Everything I have coded here will be in my GitHub repository, and repository link will be in my description below. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.